Whitney. Hello and welcome to WhitneyD TV. If you are new to the channel, click that subscribe button and notification bell. Move it from personalized to all so you can receive all notifications. Head on over to the community tab and join the conversation. Welcome. Let's get into it, shall we?
And you know I'm feisty, I ain't keeping secrets for a bitch, a nigga that don't like me. You really hurt you sitting there with something you don't even love.
Mommy, can you give me a plate?
Oh my god,
When I last time I went to Chipotle, I didn't ask you for no money. You didn't buy
Chipotle,
it.
bitch.
Mommy! You didn't pay for it, it doesn't matter.
No.
Mommy, give me a plate. No. I'm gonna eat.
We got belief fucking begging.
I'm not begging, I'm not
We have
hungry. I wasn't
Avion.
hungry, I had food.
Guys,
but the
my
thing
sister.
is, it's the crazy, because every time, even Bree, I asked Bree, hey, do y'all want something? I asked everybody.
Okay, can y'all go? Just please go.
No, because that's fucking rude.
Can
You
please
rude as
go?
fuck.
Why are you acting right now?
Because
Like,
I don't know, I'm not acting. I said this
This
last
girl
time
has
y'all
a
ordered
big
Chinese
ass
food.
smile on her face.
No, I'm not. The last time y'all ordered Chinese food and didn't
I'm just
ask
lost
me.
for words.
I cook, I make sure
Can you
everybody
please
get a
go,
plate and
sir?
everything.
I'm gonna eat.
That's real fucked up.
You say you already ate.
I'm still hungry. Y'all some fucked up individuals. I'm still hungry. Come on, Avion. That's real. It's not even funny because
Yo, what?
I cook food or anything. I make it for everybody and everything. That shit not fun. I don't like that. That's funny. If you don't come
Well,
on,
why didn't you text me? If it's
So I don't know where you going. If you have something to I can come out the door, I say, hey, I'm about to leave out. Do anybody want something? You don't gotta pay for it.
What is wrong with you guys? I feel like I stepped into fucking Twilight Zone.
No, you just
Like, this is really what quarantine has come to, y'all.
No,
Like,
it's not no
literally,
fucking-
I just walked in the house.
Steak, shrimp,
Y'all.
all that I
This
cook.
bitch
I
don't
invite
cook
y'all
every single day of
motherfuckers
the
to
week.
eat.
She
And
does
I'll
not,
ask
y'all. No.
I don't what?
No, she does not cook every fucking day, y'all.
I didn't say
Pause with
I
that
cook every
shit.
day.
But
But every
girl,
Bree,
you
don't
only
eat
cook
every
like
time I
once
cook?
a week.
Bree, do you eat every time I cook? Don't every time I make a big meal, don't I ask you to eat?
Girl, it's not that fucking deep.
But I'm saying I offer it to y'all, right? Okay, you don't even offer. This is the second time you did this.
Okay, so why did you text me and say, hey, I'm going out to
you went to
eat?
go eat.
You could have just texted and said. Is it a problem for you to ask?
How am I supposed to know?
She's so bizarre all over some food. She's hangry, y'all. She's fucking hangry.
I don't want it.
Hangry. So apparently, somebody said she must be on the munchies.
That's rude. That's rude.
Possibly. Possibly.
We was gonna celebrate something.
Come on. Shut the fuck up.
Why is everybody arguing? Avion, you told me you ate. You just want something because I'm eating, and now you're crying just because you want some
Avion, get the fuck out of here.
Oh my god, y'all are crazy.
Let's go.
Oh my god, y'all.
I slap the shit out you.
Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics is way more than its namesake. From primers, mascaras, eyeshadows, foundations, lippies, lashes, and so much more. For that fierce look you can't find anywhere else, Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics. Tell them Whitney from Reviews with Whitney D sent you. Shazaj Creations is a virtual boutique for creative customized apparel, tumblers, and jewelry. Allow them to create a keepsake that you can use as a heirloom for centuries to come. Everything from blankets to pillows, allow your memories to come alive with every picture. Tell them Whitney D from WhitneyD TV sent you. Use the Whitney D code or link in the description box below. Bye. I am happy to say that I am a brand ambassador of Noel. Noel is handcrafted, no harsh chemicals, scrubs, oils, soaps, and more. Quality skincare at affordable prices. Check them out and let them know that Whitney D of WhitneyD TV sent you by using either my code Whitney30 at checkout or the link in the description box below.
And you know I'm feisty, I ain't keeping secrets for a bitch, a nigga that don't like me. You really hurt, you sitting there with something you don't even love.
Thank you for tuning into the show. Now it's your turn. We want to hear from you. But remember, keep it cute or get the boot. Let's talk in the comments down below. Check out all our sponsors and affiliates in the description box. And don't forget to join the Witness Nation by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. Until next time, this is Whitney D with Whitney D TV. Signing off.